Last week I showed you exercises for our parents for the lower body, and my focus today is the upper body. This week my model is my mum, and these exercises are all inspired by her, and I hope that they inspire your parents to do the same. The first exercise is external rotation with a TheraBand. This is really good for rounded shoulders. First, sit upright, get a TheraBand. I like to use yellow. In your hands, get your hands by your waist and bend at your elbows 90 degrees, holding the TheraBand palms up. And now she's gently going to open her hands out to the side and come back. And open and come back. Keep sitting upright, make sure your shoulders are back. Keep your elbows stuck to your sides. If you don't have a TheraBand, you can just use 2 weighted balls, or you can use 2 water bottles to do the same movement. Do this for about 15 to 20 repetitions. The second exercise is tricep extension using a TheraBand. Hold a TheraBand in your hand, take your arms up and then take one arm down, bend the elbow and extend it up. Make sure that your arm is close to your ear and extend the arm up completely and bend and extend. Again, if you don't have a TheraBand, you can use a water bottle and do the same exercise, or you can use weighted ball. Done. The next exercise is shoulder circles. Sitting upright, take your arms out by your side in a T. You can either do this with very little balls. We're using nothing. Make sure that your wrist is straight, and then you're going to circle your arms in one direction. 2, 3, 4. Do this for about 15 repetitions, and then you're going to reverse it to do it in the other direction. The next exercise is reverse bicep curls. We're doing it holding 2 water bottles. Your grip is reverse, and then you're just going to get it up and lower it down. And get it up. Make sure that you're sitting upright. Make sure that your feet are planted on the floor, and continue to do this movement. You want to make sure that you're sitting completely comfortable but still sitting up upright. And you repeat this for about 15 to 20 repetitions. If you find that the bottles are really heavy, you can fill them with half the amount of water. This exercise is really good because I've changed the grip from doing a normal bicep to turning it around to work the back of your arms, which are very rarely used and completely neglected. The next exercise is ROM, range of motion, which is again really good for your shoulders. Holding a TheraBand, take your arms straight up and then try to take it as low as you can behind you. Take it back up, keeping your elbows straight, and then down. If your elbows are bending, then take it a little wider. Continue doing it, Mom. And up, and then go back, come back up, and come forward. And when you come forward, make sure you don't round your back. Keep your back straight. Up, and bring it back, and up, and down. If you want to increase the range of motion, all you do is stand up, please. Good job. And now she's going to increase her range of motion. Mom, take it up. Inhale and take it behind you. Exhale as low as you can go. And inhale, take it up. And exhale to bring it down. Keep your abdominals pulled in. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale to take it down.